lover all my life. Those I have changed forever, not for better. Sometimes it's all these places had their moments. Sweet memories and friends, still very long. Some are dead and some are living in my life. I love them all. Now all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. These memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never be so special for people and things that went before. I know I'll love my stopping. Bye.